To exhibit at a fair, you must make some initial preparations. You will need to configure these 4 tabs: Profile, Catalog, Register Fairs, and Tags and Segments. Complete these tabs in the following order, starting with the profile. First, fill out your profile details, then upload your catalog. Next, register for one or more of our fairs. And finally, select and create tags and segments that best match your product, making it easier for visitors to find your fair. Additionally, you have a relationship tab where you can communicate with visitors or other exhibitors. Also, you have the cards tab where you can negotiate your cards. The expo tab allows you to visit other exhibitions. And if you need assistance, please reach out to our call center. And lastly, you can open the configurations tab to change your language settings. For more specific details, please open the tutorial in the specific page that you need help.